Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this look. You will need a canvas black head, a wig cap, Dominican outre curly hair, glue sticks, a white eyeliner pencil, scissors, and of course a hot glue gun. Go ahead and adjust your wig cap. The wig cap I bought had a hole in the center, so I just went ahead and sewed that up with needle and thread. Grab your white eyeliner pencil and draw a triangle where you want your leave out to be. I use a low temp hot glue gun when I construct these wigs, because if you use a high temp hot glue gun, it will burn through the cap and it will mess up the canvas blockhead. You want to take the weft and measure it across the head to see where it stops. This is very beginner friendly if you want to learn how to make wigs. And once you put the hot glue on the weft, make sure you press it into the wig cap so that it stays. You want to keep repeating that step until you reach almost to the top of the head, and each time you glue a weft down, cut it, do not fold it over. When you are halfway done, you want to take the closure piece out of the hair packet and cut it in half, and then take your scissors and cut off any extra net that's around the closure piece. Once you are done, you want to line up both closure halves to the white guideline you made on your wig cap and then sew it down. If you go over or under the line a little bit, it's okay. This is just to determine your part and set a guideline for your leave out. Once you get two closure halves sewn down, you want to go back and get your hot glue gun and take the wefts and fill in the rest of the wig cap. This is synthetic hair, so what I like to do to make it look more natural is fluff out the curls a little bit, because the curls come very uniform in pack hair. Now your wig should come off easy off of the canvas blockhead. I know you guys follow directions and you are going to use a low temp gun. Don't come in my comments fussing about the cap not coming off the head because you went ahead and used a high temp. So now you want to cut out the triangle so you can expose the part for your leave out. So now we're going to get our natural hair prepped. I use Argan Oil by Organics, and this has worked really good for my hair. You choose whatever oil you want to, but I'm telling you guys, this is the truth. It is so lightweight, and it really conditions the hair and leaves it moisturized. Now try on that wig so that you can see where you want your part to lay. The U part can be centered, and it can go to the right and it can go to the left, whatever side you choose. But I'm going to do a left part. Leave out hair on both sides in the front, and where your U part leave out will be. When you section off your parts, you want to grab that wig, try it on to make sure that you left out enough leave out to cover your wig, and make sure it lines up with the wig. Okay, so go ahead and clip off your leave out, because you are getting prepared to braid down the hair that will be underneath the wig cap. You want to make 2 anchor braids, one on both sides. Your braids do not have to be neat. I'm only doing 4 braids to put underneath my wig. You can do as many as you like. I do pull the anchor braid into the bigger braid, so then you will be left with 2 braids. And when you are done braiding, you want to take those braids and pin them up in the back. When you are finished pinning up your braids, you want to take down your leave out, because you are getting ready to straighten out the hair. Bobby pins to tack down my wig. Of course, if you want to wear it for a longer time period, you can sew it down, but this is just for convenience. We are not leaving that leave out straight. You are going to take some wine curlers and curl that leave out so that it will blend. And for my heatless girls, Bantu knots also work and can blend in very well with this hair. separate the curls, I'm going to use some edge control to lay my edges down. Then spray OilSheen. That's Argan OilSheen spray by Creamy Nature. And I'm going to use Sebastian Hair Shaper spray to give it a nice hold. All products I use will be listed in description, so you can go purchase. And right here, just loosen up those curls, take them apart so that it can blend well. I like layers, so I'm going to cut a few layers into this hair. And there you have it, the finished look. This is a very cute protective style. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and comment. Bye.